Hey guys, I wanted to come on here and tell you a little bit about the Pax 3. So this is a vaporizer for, dry herbs, concentrate, all that fun stuff. So it does come in this nifty box. Got the unit. So this is the battery pack. With that being said, down here is where you would put in, your dry herb. You can do the whole thing. You pack it in real nice and tight. It comes in with some little accessories and all that. One of the accessories being this little guy, and it'll help you go down and pack that. If not, you can use your nails, a tool, whatever the case may be. If you don't want to use the whole entire thing, you can put this guy on here. You can do like a half, so that way you don't have to do a full thing. It also comes with its own charger, everything like that. It is refillable and all that. Underneath this guy, you can pop this top off, which is going to turn your thing on. All you got to do is one click, turns on. Then you can do it's on, and then oops. So then from there, you can from that same exact button, you can change the temperature, It does have 4 different settings. You have a low, a high, and a low, a medium, and a high. Real low. It's great for different things. If you don't want to use the dry herb, we do have the oven for the concentrate. You put just a little rice amount in the concentrate container, pop it in. It doesn't go all the way in, so it's an easy pull out, so it doesn't get lodged. It does come with the extra rubber bands, so that way you can put it on here. And it comes with this fun little case and everything like that. But it is really good for not only like dry herbs, the concentrate, but it is a nice, sleek design that just works.